Great Gadgets for Azure DevOps offers a variety of useful widgets for tracking your projects in a truly agile way. The Control Chart Widget, it's a plot diagram that shows the work items from a board or shared query by their completion time and duration. It tells you how long items are taking to complete and helps you easily identify outliers. You can configure it to measure the duration in the form of cycle time, lead time, or time between two workflow statuses. Cycle time is the processing time between the moment your team started working on the item and when they marked it as completed. Lead time is the time from when the item was reported to when it was delivered to the customer, so the total time from the customer's perspective. While these metrics are critical in any Kanban project, they are extremely useful in service desk, ITSM, software development, or any operational project. Now, let's see how this widget can be configured. Let's say you want to see the cycle time for the items resolved by your team in the last 100 days. First, configure the widget to use a board or a shared query containing the items worked by your team, then configure the cycle start to be the entry in an in-progress state, and the end of the cycle to be the entry in a completed state category. You can also choose to display the average duration, standard deviation, or percentiles. And look, the chart is now displayed. To identify the items that took longer than expected, you will need to set a threshold for the acceptable duration. This can be your SLA. And now, the work items that are over the limit, or the SLA breaches, are marked in red, so you can identify them and intervene if necessary. To measure the lead time, you can do exactly the same. The only difference will be the start of the cycle, which in this case must be set to the item creation. The widget can also display a data tab with a detailed report, which can be easily exported to CSV format. It gives you many fine-tuning options, and it lets you configure the colors. Install great gadgets and discover many powerful time-saving widgets that bring your dashboards to life.